So further Mandela says the sun shall never set on so glorious a human uh, achievement. Okay, glorious means which is grand and beautiful, meaning is that which we can say thing they have achieved now, the freedom which they have got now it would be there in South Africa forever. Now nobody would come and rule over us. Now there will be a rule of people only, means now South Africa would not be under a rule of any supremacy. There would be it would be a republic country, we can say it would be a democratic country. Okay, let freedom reign. Reign means rule. God bless Africa. So this was a speech of Nelson Mandela. Okay, so which you have to keep in mind. And the main things are, he promises his people that now there would be freedom only, there would be rule of people only, it would be a democratic country. And he also promises that now they will get freedom from other problems also, poverty, deprivation, suffering and all. Okay, so this was a speech given by Nelson Mandela. After this the function started. Okay, after the speech and pledge of Nelson Mandela, the inauguration started, the national function started. So after this, what happened, a few moments later we all lifted our eyes um, in hope as a spectacular array of South African jets. Okay, spectacular means which is very beautiful and impressive. Array of jets, array is a kind of pattern only of South African jets. So when the function started, there was actually a beautiful representation of jets. As we know, when any national festival is celebrated, we see the jets fly in the air and they leave some smoke. Okay, they just leave some colorful we can say pattern to represent the flag of any country. So same thing was going on there also. There were many helicopters. Okay, and troop carriers rode in perfect formation over the Union building. Troop means vehicles. Okay, carriers, troop carriers means vehicles which were carrying soldiers actually. Okay, so in a very beautiful pattern, the vehicles were just moving around the building. Okay, and it was a beautiful representation by the defense forces of South Africa. Defense forces, we can say, for example, if we talk about the defense forces of India, okay, we can talk about the BSF, we can talk about army, okay, air force, navy and all. So these are defense forces. So all the defense forces, different departments of defense forces of South Africa were representing themselves through jets, helicopters, and troop carriers, okay, by many vehicles.